Evening, everybody. I'm back with the video announcements for you, and now we're off to Module 5. And Module 5, which focuses on Chapter 8, now we're going to start getting into calculations involving the mole. In fact, our next two modules, 5 and 6, are going to be based on calculations with the mole. In Chapter 5, as we look at compositions, we're going to introduce the mole, the measurement of the mole, and its relationships and to a number of things, a number of atoms or molecules, to grams, and we're going to start to see a lot of the calculations that we can do with the mole. The major one that you'll pick out of this is that conversion between grams and moles, the introduction of what we call the molar mass. What we will also see in this chapter, in this module, calculations between moles and number of atoms and molecules. We're actually going from, if you got a measurement that starts with the number of atoms or molecules, you can convert to moles, and then from moles you can convert to grams. We're also going to look at how we can determine what we call the percent composition of an element in a compound. So for example, if we're working with water and we want to know with water, okay, what percentage of it is hydrogen, what percentage of it is oxygen, and we'll show you how to do that calculation. And then also determining what we call an empirical and a molecular formula of a compound. The empirical formula, that term empirical, means simplest. It's the simplest ratio of the elements in the formula. A molecular formula, hey, that's our actual ratio. So we'll see the steps do that. This is going to be a calculation-based module, so you and your calculator are going to be good friends with it. But what I want to emphasize to you, keep the calculations simple. Follow the steps. You're going to see the same steps, the same conversions each time in this. The only thing that you're going to substitute is what substance you're working with. So for example, if you're going to convert from the number of atoms of silver to grams of silver, or you're going to convert the number of molecules of silver nitrate to grams of silver nitrate, you actually follow the same steps. You convert both atoms to moles and then moles to grams. You follow those same steps. So pay attention to that as we're going through. So, hey, as we're doing this, do realize we're also halfway through the course. We got 4 modules down. We've got 4 to go. So we're almost there. We're getting there, and it's getting close. So with that, let you guys keep up the good work. Get back to work. Stay on top of everything, and take care. Bye.